Hi, I'm Dr. Dale Kalina, Medical Director of Infection Prevention and Control at Joseph Brand Hospital. I'm here to remind you that today, on National Wash Your Hands Day, and every day, it's important to wash your hands to help you stay safe from viruses such as the cold and flu and also COVID-19. Let me show you how to wash your hands.
Step 1. Wet hands with warm water. Step 2. Apply soap. Step 3. Wash hands for at least 20 seconds, including your palms, back of each hand, between your fingers, thumbs, and under your nails. Step 4. Rinse well. Step 5. Dry hands with paper towel. Step 6. Turn off tap using paper towel.